MeghalayaPost.news.
Ubalak menrembui Menteri Ketenat Pulih Hak Sarkar Jela harengkat ubah sasnes sotun MLA ke Jirang ubadairu Menteri Ketenat Sinar di Mentaka Sengi kilalit ban plie pai ba ya ke building temai jong ke skul Umshru RMSA secondary school baka sarkar Meghalaya kelapen yang hasnong Umshru ke snong ke badan hasunda bat kisnong ke Jela Assam ke bahap Hajirang constituency ke jela ke sarkar Meghalaya leng baka Ketenat Pulih Putih ban peniang ya ke building ke skul RMSA hakate ke snong kelalong kum kawai ne kisaki baka Meghalaya kelaile ban penpoi ki kampenroi hakisnong kaput kamtam hakate kathan itu shu laki bri kide ha Meghalaya ni Assam namar kadeiru kathan balasong lasa dakiwei ki jai benrio hakate ke skul RMSA la hikai de kino hikai ki bana Meghalaya karbaki khna ki balait ban pule hakate ke skul ki babun hi ki dei na kisnong kaput ki badan hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam yakate ke building thmai ke skul RMSA late ha ke jinglot ke bai wei pon lai phoklour ha ke balashna pen itnat bha bat ke bala bit labyang bha na ke benta ban shong ki khna skul ha ba plie kate ke building thmai ke skul RMSA na lor ke jingdon ki aranggut ki Menteri Sarkar basakhiru daga jingdon uba bantai langje kharsandi Deputy State Project Director usamor rabha rang basnong Umshru ke kongchiruli kharbu khieu headmistress ko Umshru RMSA secondary school lembat kiwei
Requested, sir. There are many other school, LP school, government LP school who needs the new infrastructure. We were discussing about the Umsong, we were discussing about the Warmausau, and we were discussing about the ongoing works of the Eclavian model residential schools. It's a very big school that is coming out there in Umsoban, bordering Meghalaya, Assam. And then we were discussing about the new classroom for the government higher secondary school, Jirang, and sir, he told me that he'll be telling to you. I will not tell. He'll be telling to you, but it sense that his commitment and dedication as the Honorable Minister. I hope that many other pending works with regards to education for our constituency, for the betterment of the students' community, we will be getting more and more school buildings.
I came to know that the people here are Garo, Rabha, and others. I came to know that in these schools, teachers from different community are teaching, and most importantly, students from different community are studying. This shows that India is great and Meghalaya is great. And one thing I just want to mention here, why we come here. It is through the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma or Honorable Chief Minister, who always advise us, it is better to learn from the grassroots. It is better to know the problem of the people, especially this border area. That's why both me and Sotun, we are here. Now this building have been constructed and inaugurated, but for whom? It is for you. I am very glad when I learned from the headmistress that 11 students appeared as SSLC this year. From the journey of 2024, 25, and in the year 2026, 11 students appear. That shows that these schools, that there is a hope that this school will progress. And from whatever conversation I had with the teachers, I know that the teachers have a big plan. The teachers have looking forward to develop the school. Develop for whom? Develop for the people of this area. So I request the Sodar Shnong, I request the school managing committee, I request the parent, I request all the elders of the village, let us work together with the teachers of this institute so that we can uplift this area through the education which we get in this Umshru RMSA. The government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, in the last 8 years, tomorrow we are completing 8 years of MDA government. And I'm very happy to share for the people of Jirang constituency. You are very fortunate and you are wise enough to have an honorable MLA and minister like Ba Sostes Soto. Since 2018, through his initiative, we got the Model Degree College in Patharkma, which already started. This area, before they told this Western Riboy, is one of the most backward area. But now, in these last 8 years, I must say, you should be proud of yourself that it is one of the most developed. Whether you see on the road sector, whether you see the college is there, the Jirang secondary school have been upgraded to the higher secondary school, and this Umshru secondary school is there. It will not just happen if you didn't get the MLA, the public representative who really feel the pulse of people and the need of people.
MeghalayaPost.news